Because I can't believe my eyes, I've gone to get my camera because this woman is taking the trash out right now. Okay, that is one of the cans that she's just hooked to the back of this, and she's taking the trash out. This is Kelly taking the trash out with the chicken and the dog and the cat, everyone following along. This is really how you take the trash out?
Yes.
Over the lake?
Yes. And if it goes sideways, everything will fall out.
Watch out for him. Jesus. Puppy staying with her. I wouldn't. Oh, hey! Was that my leg? Wouldn't have believed it if I didn't see it with my own eyes. Let's see what we got going over here with this tree. I thought I saw a couple kittens up here, but they may be. Oh, Lord, that is a big bullfrog. Where? Hey, you. Hey, what are you doing under that house? What are you doing? Are you all by yourself? You going to catch a frog? Oh, jeez. She should be on her way back in by now. There's a cat. Oh no, where's Marley? Marley? Shoot. Is Marley eating cats? Kittens? Kittens, are you okay? What are y'all doing back here? Oh, yeah. The little guys are up here. Wow. Look, there's lots of little guys back here. Wow. All right. Hey there. Let's see if we can find Kelly. Are you walking with me too? Oh. Fire ant piles. Here comes Miss Kelly. She just took the garbage out to the other side of the property. And here she comes. I don't see Dixie.
I see her.
Dixie, hey!
Marley, though.
I can't find Marley. Should we put food in that one? There she blows. Off into the sunset, Miss Kellyanne Hall. Did the Little Miss Sunshine pageant foresee this when she was named Miss Little Sunshine, Florida? I don't think they did see this in her future, but they may have. I went back there. He's not eating kittens unless he has one.
He's ran away.
When you say ran away, what do you mean exactly?
He's in those
back there chasing somebody's horse or dog.
So how will we get him back?
He'll come back.
Today?
Yeah, he'll come back.
It's so funny how the cats and the dogs and the chicken all play together. And how this one gets water. Is that your water? Oh, no, it's okay, it's okay.
That was quite a run there, Missy.
Yeah.
You kept up for most of it.
Is that your mama?
Dixie Doo-Dog. Dixie Doo-Dog.
Oh,
She is twice the size of the other puppies in the litter.
Oh, really?
Because I fed her puppy food instead of, they just fed them regular food.
Oh. So what do we do about Marley?